Hi everyone, in this video I am going to solve a Math Olympiad problem which was set for Iran Math Olympiad contest. We have to find the value of function of 1 where function of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now if we put x is equal to 1 in this function, we will have function of 1 is equal to the value of x is equal to 1. So 1 square minus x is equal to 1 plus 1, or function of 1 is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. So the value of function of 1 is equal to this 1 and 1 will cancel out, so it will remain 1. Now if we subtract x is equal to function of x in given function, we will have function of x is equal to function of x is equal to function of x whole square minus x is equal to function of x plus 1. Now putting x is equal to 1, here we will have function of 1 is equal to function of x is equal to 1. So function of 1 whole square minus function of 1 plus 1, or function of the value of function of 1 is equal to 1. So substituting this as 1, we can write function of 1 is equal to this function of 1 whole square minus function of 1 plus 1, or taking this function of 1 to right side, we will have 0 is equal to function of 1 whole square minus this function of 1 plus 1 minus this function of 1, or 0 is equal to function of 1 whole square minus this function of 1 minus function of 1 is equal to 2 times function of 1 plus 1, this 1, or 0 is equal to function of 1 whole square minus 2 times function of 1 times 1 plus 1 square, or 0 is equal to, according to this formula, a square minus twice ab plus b square, we can write it as a minus b whole square. So it will be function of 1 minus 1 whole square, or taking square root to both sides, we will have 0 is equal to a square root, and this square will cancel out, so it will remain function of 1 minus 1, or taking this 1 to left side, we will get 1 is equal to function of 1. So the value of function of 1 is equal to 1, exchanging this side. So this is the value of function of 1. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.